Welcome to Pack Tactics. I'm Kobold. I'm playing a Beastmaster for Infinite Web. And here are my friends from Tabletop Builds. Link in the description for their sites. All of us normally make D&D 5e optimization content, but for fun we thought we should at least beat Act 1 together. This is on hard, and we removed Karmic dice. Daniel is playing a Storm Sorcerer Land Druid, Justin is a Fiend Warlock Storm Sorcerer, and Evelyn is a Light Cleric Conjuration Wizard. Anyways, let the fun begin! Whoa. Are you guys getting this cutscene?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, sweet.
What awful doors.
Oh, the cell has 4 HP.
Yeah, they can
Might
destroy
just
the
die
cell
now.
anyways.
Yes.
True.
So that guy's just wasting his time.
I guess so. Oh.
Dang, they should have given that to the Beastmaster Spider.
What? Okay. This
What?
is a
Sign is a
railing,
little-
and I can't shoot
Can you go a
from
bit
here?
to the right?
Go a bit to the right.
No.
Okay.
Okay, game.
Quirky geometry. I guess just shoot that guy if you can't shoot anyone else.
I can't even hit him.
Too far, probably.
I guess spider it is. But there's no other option.
I have no other option.
Dash and shoot? Or does that not work?
Dash and shoot works.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Watch out for the
Use
webs.
dash
too.
there.
Also something that doesn't work in 5e, which is a bit unfortunate.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. The fight is over, really.
Yeah.
True.
Incredibly over.
I also have boots. Nice.
The rest of the goblin fights aren't interesting or fun to watch, so I'm gonna skip forward a lot. Alright, where's the
Let's
stash?
go down for real, guys.
Oh, there it is. It's a question mark. Damn, I failed the perception check.
I've got a lot of ice, don't worry about it. Never mind. Goodbye. We all failed the perception. Can you come?
You're just flying. Wait, guidance triggers it too?
I mean, guidance will increase the perception. Nope.
Okay. Well, goodbye, secret goblin stash.
Oh, you failed the thing?
We all failed.
Well, no treasure for us.
What a nice little guy.
Never summon shovel, never feed shovel, now cool shovel.
You recognize the tiny fiend, a quasit. Wicked creatures, often used as familiars.
You're a disgusting little creature, aren't you?
And you, slab of beef with nipples.
Okay.
Okay.
Best familiar.
You already saved this guy.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Oh, there's a section over here.
Yep.
Not gone here yet.
They didn't like that, but not enough to start combat, it seems.
Actions have
Okay,
that's
never
the-
mind. That did start combat. Cool.
Now I'm jumping.
There, go over here. Just want to make sure to break these 2 ladders once we're all across.
Should I kill... Oh
I
my
thought broke the ladder. Cool.
You
Oh.
jumped into it, breaking it.
Well, my feather fall's gone, it seems. That's unfortunate.
Yeah, because you were out of
My
combat.
jump is also gone. Oh, I guess I'm not in
Yes,
turn-based
you're
anymore.
right. You when
Unlucky.
combat started, and
Didn't realize in time.
that's what happened. Yeah.
So many
Okay, I can
smoke
shoot
bombs.
Baldur now. I guess that's
Yeah,
what I'm gonna have to
just
do.
do him. Yeah, just shoot him.
Good.
Yeah, see? You have hand crossbows, you're fine.
Now,
Yeah.
I'm gonna end turn, okay?
Sure.
Yes.
Oh, she's still alive.
Yes. It's because he's blocking the ladder. That's good. Ladder blocking.
Oh, that traitor is gonna have to die, unfortunately.
That just... Oh, come on, don't break the things. Those are good weapons. Great throwables, come on.
Unfortunate.
You got a bonus action shoot.
Yeah.
And
There you
move
go.
away.
Right.
No.
Yeah, don't go too far this way. Because there's other people.
Oh.
Great. Okay, we leveled up.
There's a guy here still.
Well, 2 of us leveled up.
Yeah, this next guy should get the level ups for the rest of us. Okay, he's dashing it to Daniel.
I could see him from here.
There we go.
There
Cool.
you go.
Alright, everyone but Brian levels.
What the heck?
Yes.
Again?
It's 7 XP.
There's some
That
more
was
people
all
up
me.
here. There's some more people.
Yeah.
Why do I level up last? I'm the main character.
Hey, there's a wolf. Istor.
You're only the main character on YouTube.
Anyway.
Are we one-shotting Istor?
I'm sorry, Brian, but your viewers see my character more than yours because I talk to people.
Should I disarm these bombs?
Yes.
I think we can probably one-shot Istor.
Yes, but I don't know if these traps are enabled or if they're going to be enabled.
I'm gonna remove these bombs.
And let's go.
We didn't even alert them.
No, the dog spun a little.
There we go.
What did he do?
He just attacked a barricade. Why did he attack a barricade?
Spike
Okay,
Rose
there's
his
6 minutes.
friends. He's
Ice
No.
spike growth.
Then yeah, no, he literally just attacked this barricade. What?
Nice.
What a
Now we
huge
kept
gamer.
running the melee of their melee characters. There's also a base dude here with 2 hand crossbows. Now that we all have hand crossbows, there's 3 here.
Oh my god, he's an optimizer! Jarg! Look guys, I'm in the game! They have pack tactics!
Whoa.
That's awesome.
I knew I would make it in the
Oh,
game.
what?
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 That's a waste. They're all killing themselves.
What did they just do?
What?
Why?
I'm sorry?
That was amazing.
What?
There's still 1 left. Good. It's mine.
Oh my god. That was incredible.
I sadly did not catch that on camera because I was examining. How did he get under there?
He broke a barrel next to him with a fire arrow, which then exploded this wooden platform where he is now standing, dropping his dog, and then he jumped down himself. So he just did a bunch of damage to himself and his dog.
Oh, maybe I was wrong. Maybe he's not an optimizer.
Really,
Not an optimizer could do that.
isn't.
He's griefing his party.
They have only attacked their friends.
He's engaging in sickle build geometry.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Well, I'm not really worried. I wish I got that properly on camera. I was too busy examining.
Yeah, it's okay. There's no way we could have possibly predicted that they would do that.
Truth. Spike growth,
Hurting
pretty good.
themselves.
Not gonna lie.
Why are they doing this?
Maybe they want me to level up.
They really do.
You already did.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Cool.
You only needed 7.
So, I think my level up also upgrades my spider?
Yes.
Yep.
That's crazy.
Yeah, your spider gets a new spell called Entomb, and it's like HP and stats increase as well.
Can you crossbow the wolf?
And his AC, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. AC
Stats increase.
gets prof bonus. Not at all.
I love this character.
He's got quite some HP, doesn't he? 7 only? How did he
7.
not die yet?
He's just a gamer.
He's just a gamer, I guess. An optimizer at heart.
Lol.
Darn.
I literally just only get extra attack and... Oh, actually got more. Okay. So I'm picking Spike Growth because Stealth, I mean, we're already succeeding quite a lot with Stealth. So we don't need Pass Without Trace. And Spike Growth, well, Spike Growth is really good with choke points and hallways and, you know, doors and blah, 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 blah.
Can you go sell stuff?
In the next video, we're going to explain our builds, and we're going to kill a hag. End of video. If you like this series, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!